Hypertech Group is a diversified blockchain services enterprise that aims to develop leading blockchain applications that will become forerunners in the blockchain industry. Founded in 2014, the group pulls together its resources from its network of listed companies and more than 300 investment institutions to accelerate the economy towards a digital future. By expanding its portfolio of businesses that span across the industry, the group aims to drive innovation and development in all areas of blockchain. As the group expands, the scale of the Hypertech ecosystem also increases. Currently, the group has built a diversified portfolio consisting of Hyperbank, Hyperpay, Hyperfin, HPX, Hypermining, Hypercash, Hypertalk, Hypernews, Hypermall, and Hypershow. These businesses provide services that cover areas of e-commerce, asset custody, asset management, digital currency wallets, decentralized exchanges, cross-chain capabilities, public chain systems, blockchain-based social platforms, and blockchain media. Through the establishment of an effective decentralized governance structure, Hypertech has bridged the operational gap amongst different industries, enabling different businesses to integrate, share resources, and achieve interoperability. As a pioneer in the blockchain industry, Hypertech Group is committed to creating value for society, creating benefits for shareholders, and inspiring its employees to grow. It is a global technology company trusted and respected by the public. Standing strong in its beliefs, Hypertech Group will continue to explore blockchain applications, provide users with more blockchain services, and pilot the development of the blockchain industry.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future. We're going to go over some Zoom etiquette today. Pay close attention, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. Listen with intention and purpose. Listen, take notes, ladies and gentlemen. Note takers are money makers. Put everything away and focus on what you are about to see. Feel free to grab due diligence information from the chat log. Shannon will drop it in there, so don't take our word for it. You have the information at your fingertips. Please monitor your audio and your visuals, ladies and gentlemen. But most importantly, let's enjoy our time together. I'm going to read this general disclaimer. Thank you for attending this presentation. Participation in this project, like any other, involves risk. Under no circumstances should this presentation be considered as any type of solicitation, investment, or financial advice. The information is being provided to you in general terms without accounting for your specific personal and financial situation. The project is being presented to you on a best effort basis, and like any project, there is a risk of loss. Past results are not a guarantee of future performance. We recommend you seek the advice of a suitably qualified professional before deciding if you're unsure. Your continued attendance of this meeting beyond this point indicates your acceptance of the above terms. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not financial advisors. We don't know anything about taxes or anything like that. We are community builders, independent, and we just believe in this company. Take a look. So what should you be looking for, ladies and gentlemen, when you are looking at an opportunity? Reputable owners with integrity. This is what I was looking for. Owners that had a solid, credible track record in their company. Owners that definitely had the finances and experience to deliver. So that means that they're not depending on my finances. I was looking for owners that were respected industry leaders and someone that knew the right time and the right trend. Well, guess what? We have all of that and more. Introducing the Hypertech Group, the world's strongest blockchain alliance. And ladies and gentlemen, this is truly a unique once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The Hypertech Group is located in Shanghai, Hong Kong, Melbourne, and soon to be Dubai. So let's see what makes up the Hypertech Group. The first company that makes up the Hypertech Group is Blockchain Global. It was founded in 2014 with over 300 million of their dollars invested in over 80 blockchain projects and companies, including NIM and Tron, which are multi-billion-dollar projects today. Blockchain Global advises governments and Fortune 500 companies and they have offices located 22 locations across the globe. The next company that makes up the Hypertech group is Star, ladies and gentlemen. Star was founded in 2015 with over 400 million of their dollars invested in over 300 plus blockchain companies, including 40 plus crypto exchanges and 12 of the top 20 cryptocurrencies that are worth billions today. Star is the largest blockchain venture capital company in the world with offices in Australia and Hong Kong. Ladies and gentlemen, the closest I can get to Star is an American-based program called the Shark Tank. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Star is the Shark Tanks of the blockchain. The next company that makes up the Hypertech group is Hcash. Ladies and gentlemen, it was founded in 2016 with over 50 million invested in quantum resistant security with IBM. It's already been coined the world's most advanced patented blockchain project. With research and development done by Purdue, Monash, Tokyo, and Shanghai universities. Hcash has offices located in Perth and Sydney. The next group is BW.com. It was purchased in 2017. It was a $100 million acquisition in 2017. Well, today they have over 15 billion of crypto assets mined. This is one of the top 4 crypto mining groups that mine 60% of all new Bitcoins. Ladies and gentlemen, that's over half. They have offices in Perth and Sydney. Look at the progression. 2014, 2015. There is a steady growth in this company. This is a multi-billion-dollar opportunities, ladies and gentlemen. Stay connected. Meet self-made blockchain multi-billionaire. This is the founder, Ryan Yu. He's an industry pioneer, and he's been mining Bitcoin since 2009, ladies and gentlemen. He's the founder and board member of Hcash. He also is an angel investor. Remember the Shark Tanks? Well, these are the sharks right here. They're angel investors, and they have up to over 60% ownership in some of the most successful cryptocurrencies of all time, like Bitcoin, NIM, Tron, MOF, ladies and gentlemen. He also is a major shareholder of 5 Australian, Tokyo, and NASDAQ listed blockchain companies. Ladies and gentlemen, they're already listed. He owns BW.com, The Who, ZB.com. He's an angel investor in OKX and Binance, ladies and gentlemen, owning 3% of Binance, and Binance is the #1 exchange in the world. This is where I fall in love with him. He's the founder of the world's first nonprofit blockchain knowledge hub. Why is that so important? Because I ask you, what do you know about the blockchain? They're educating the masses, ladies and gentlemen. Ryan Yu is the king of cryptocurrency. Well, meet Chairman Sam Lee. He's a well-known blockchain early adopter and co-founder of Blockchain Global. Ladies and gentlemen, he is a distinguished speaker at international conferences. He's a regular guest and commentator on big media outlets like CNN, BBC, and Forbes and Bloomberg. He also works with Fortune 500 companies like Amazon and Microsoft. Ladies and gentlemen, Sam Lee is crowned the Prince of the blockchain. So documentation beats conversation. We say that all the time. So look who's leading the way in blockchain. Look at the media outlets. Here's Crowdfund Insider, Crypto Ninja, Yahoo Finance. Ladies and gentlemen, don't take our word for it. All you have to do is read. The information is there. In 2017, here you see Star Capital to establish a $300 million blockchain fund. Well, in Crypto Ninjas, NIM partners with Blockchain Global to expand internationally. Also, here you see that Hcash is coined the most efficient in the world. Also, ladies and gentlemen, here you see the Hypertech announces the Hyperfund project. That's the project that you're going to see. This was in June 2020, right? So here's some more documentation in Business Wire. You see where Star acquired BW.com for $100 million right here. This is a top 4 crypto mining company, ladies and gentlemen, and they own it. Look at the government partnerships. These guys, Hypertech Group, is advising governments around the world on regulations in this space. So that's very important. Here you see Sam Lee over here with the Australian Trade and Investment Commission signing an MOU. Here you see him right here with the Russian government-backed bank. Also, here you see them in Indonesia, possibly bringing the blockchain center to Indonesia. Here, over here, he's with the chairman of the SEC of the Republic of Montenegro, visiting the blockchain center. It's already up, ladies and gentlemen. Here he's introducing the blockchain center to Geneva, Bangkok, and the Danish consulate. And also he was introducing blockchain technology to Pakistan. Well, ladies and gentlemen, they just announced that partnership is solid. We are now working with Pakistan, moving around the globe to educate the masses. Well, take a look, ladies and gentlemen. This is where I fell in love with Ryan Yu. Honestly, I did. Amazon has a video out. It's a documentary. It's called The Next Blockchain. It's about an hour and a half long. It's a very good documentary, but you can fast forward to episode 6, which is entitled The Players. And here you see the players. Ladies and gentlemen, here's Ryan Yu and Sam Lee. Ryan Yu is a Chinese blockchain activist, right? That got me, because when you are an activist, you are out here trying to change the world. Well, grab this video out of the, Shannon's gonna drop a link in the chat. Go and find out Ryan Yu's why. Why is he doing this? Because if you look at it, you'll get to see that he does not and did not like that there's no level playing field financially for people like you and me. But guess what? There is now, because of the Hyperfund Global. So get to know this young man and get to find out his why. He says he doesn't feel like he belongs on Earth. Well, I'm glad he's here, ladies and gentlemen. So here's their equity portfolio with a collective market valuation of over $10 billion, ladies and gentlemen. So when people ask me, is it a scam? What do they want from us? What do they want from us? They came here. They're trying to give something to us, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the growing blockchain-based ecosystem. Look at the products and services, ladies and gentlemen. They're disrupting the industry as we know it, and we're capitalizing on profitable apps like social media, crypto mining, e-commerce. Here we have Hypermall, where you use e-commerce with smart contracts. Ladies, we get to avoid middlemen, expensive middlemen, and slow deliveries, okay? Girls like their deliveries. Then we have Hyperpay, which is a multifunctional digital wallet. But ladies and gentlemen, it's so much more than that. You get to track the market, exchange currencies, and you get to manage your stored assets right here at your fingertips. And we have HyperFin, which is lending and custody services. HyperBC, which is a blockchain-based bank. Here's HyperDAO, ladies and gentlemen, 2 cents. Get this coin and put it in your portfolio. And then we have hyper mining, ladies and gentlemen. We are mining. So this is what they did. You saw all of those mining computers. Well, this eliminates the barrier to entry for mining. It takes expensive computers, equipment. You need to know how to mine. You need computer chips. Well, that's not what you need here. There are products and services that you can use right here. And then we have Hyper News, Hyper Show, Hyper Talk. All of those are coming. What I like about Hyper Show is it's live streaming, just like you and I know. It's a blockchain-based broadcast platform. So that means they have adopted an incentive mechanism. So not only will the content contributors be able to make profits, so will the viewers. That's genius. Because what kind of profits are you earning whenever you look at everybody's YouTube, right? I just got off YouTube, I stayed there. So this is a growing ecosystem with multiple highly profitable apps, and they're adding massive value and revenue stream to the industry as we already know it, ladies and gentlemen. And guess what? Here's a nice product with Hyperbank and Hyperpay. It's a prepaid Visa. It's an easy to use and highly secure payment solution. You can instantly turn your fiat into cryptocurrency in 176 countries. It's 100% secure. And guess what? You get staking interest, ladies and gentlemen, on your crypto balances. So for having Bitcoin, if that's the asset that you're holding, you get 10% annually. And then you get 5.7% annually on your USDT Tether, which is a stable coin pegged to the US dollar, doesn't fluctuate. So what are you getting in the bank? I had to take a look at that. What are we earning in the bank? This is a blockchain-based bank. What are you earning in your bank? 0.2% and maybe 3% a year, ladies and gentlemen. This is bank grade security and it's trusted already by over 1 million customers in just 3 years. And guess what else? You get a Visa card, 50K daily limit. You can buy a car with that in one day. So guess what? Dr. Deb just ordered her Visa card today. I'm so excited about this. So what's next for the Hypertech group? What's the goal? The goal is to bring 30 million customers to one ecosystem and list a multi-billion-dollar IPO on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange.